Hello guys, I'm Mariana, I'm a junior, and today I'm going to show you where I live. So this is our living room. We have a fireplace, and this is the kitchen. Now let's check out the laundry room. As a fun fact, the Wu houses are the only houses that have an elevator on campus, so it's very convenient for moving in and moving out.
What's your favorite thing about Merck?
It's quiet and peaceful. And we have a lot of light, both in the summer and the winter. Oh, hello. Welcome to my room. Yay! And you can see the purple carrot farm from here. We also have 3 bathrooms per floor. This is one of them. Small but private. And we're gonna go see one more room because why not? Oh, hi! We're doing a house tour. Would you like to show us your room?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, let's go.
This is my side of the room, and that's my roommate's side. So, as you can see, I tried my best to make it look very homey. I have this ceiling thing going on over there that I really like. I have my desk, my bed with my 3 little plushies that I got on sale. And then I have this side over here. A lot of things in my room are actually from Tapa or the free store. Love them. And then I have this side with my makeup and my cosmetics, jewelry, a mirror, shoe rack for me and my roommate. And that's my roommate's side. So that's it. That's my room.
Thank you. So we have like 3 living rooms. This is the living room in the 3rd floor. We also have big bathrooms in the middle. Okay, now let's go back to the front door. Thank you guys for joining the tour. Hope you enjoyed Merck.